frustration gets so out of hand. Oh, but instead I am reminded of no being forsaken. Never had to stand one test alone, but then I know the victories in the spirit rises up in me, and it's through the fire my weakness is made strong. He never promised that the cross would not get heavy and the hills would not be hard to climb. He never offered a victories without fighting, but he said, "He's all the time and time." Just remember we're standing. Just remember when you're standing in the valley of decision, and the adversary says, "Give in." Just hold on. Our Lord will show up, and He will take you through the fire again. So many times I've questioned certain circumstances, things I could not understand. Many times of trials, weakness blurs my vision, and it's been my frustration gets so out of hand. I am reminded of no being forsaken. Never had asked the Lord. Then I look at all the victories, and the spirit rises up in me, and it's through the fire my weakness is made strong. He never promised that the cross would not get heavy and the hills would not be hard to climb. No, no. He never offered a victories without fighting, but he said, "He's all the time and time." Just remember we're standing. Just remember when you're standing in the valley of decision, and the adversary says, "Give in." Just hold on. Our Lord will show up, and He will take you through the fire again. I know within myself that I would show best, but